Alright guys, I ain't got nothing. It's all up there. It's all up there, sweet pea. I'm sorry. I ain't got nothing. I ain't got nothing. We are running low, guys. All the stuff is out there. We are waiting for the new shipment of pecans. You gotta go find your stash. I know, baby. We will get them soon. Go get the acorns out there. Overcast morning. A lot of squirrels out. They may be a little upset. We don't have as much out today. They keep burying them everywhere. We are low, guys. We are too low on pecans right now. We gotta wait till we get another shipment in, which hopefully will be in a couple of days. Alright guys, I gotta drive out to Fort Valley and see my buddy Bill and see if those guys have got anything. We finished the last shipment. And that was 3,000 pounds. I think it took us about 6 or 7 months. That was pretty cool, but oh, baby, I'm sorry. We don't have anything. There's nothing there. Look at, they're all coming over to me. You know, it's funny. If I had a whole bunch, nobody would be coming over. Sorry, baby. There's nothing here. I ain't got nothing, Ernie. Sorry, buddy. I'm sorry. Sweet pea. All you guys. It's out there. You got to go up here where you buried them all. There's another one. Oh, Speedy. I'm sorry, Speedy. You got to go find some. Look at all these. Look at them all. All I got is peanuts in there, guys. Maybe a few pecans, but guys, you guys gotta have stash around. Come on. Alright, guys. Squirrels were mad at me this morning, but we gotta restock with pecans. And we got some to put out later. We're trying to ration them, but go find your stash. There you go. See, they're looking now. They buried this. Pecans buried all over this place. Find the stash, guys. Find the stash. You gotta find it. Alright, guys. I gotta get going.